Hi, this is Stephen Estelle, the Applications Engineer at RapidScan 3D. In the video, I'm going to show you a very quick process of taking an impeller, the CAD model of an impeller, and just rendering it in KeyShot. So right now, we are currently importing the CAD model of an impeller that was created. And what we're going to do is just add some form of steel material onto it. So if you look through all the different materials of steel, you see that they have a bunch of different combinations. They even have steel that's colored as well. What I'm mainly focusing on is just finding a very basic steel color, and probably just going to go with the basic stainless steel to add to the impeller to make it look new. So after that, after I get the material that I'm going to utilize, I'm just going to set a very basic black background just to make the steel kind of pop out. So it's easier to notice all the features and the color of the impeller. So really basic, really simple. Just choose a material, choose the background. And then once you get those two things situated, we're just going to go right into rendering it. So after we get the angle that we want it to be looked upon during the render, we're just going to change the name. We're going to select the folder we want it to be saved into, and we're going to change the resolution. And then we're just going to go ahead and hit the start. So the total time for that rendering process actually took quite a bit. It actually took about, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes. It was probably due to all the different, I guess, material that I had to render in the steel. Maybe like the grain or the pattern of the swirl that was in there. So right now I'm just opening up the picture of the render that was created. And then what I'm going to show you now is the actual impeller. So this is the actual impeller that shows what the original model looked like that was scanned earlier. And you can see that the render looks like a brand new version that hasn't been worn out when compared to the actual impeller. So this was a quick video of rendering the impeller that was scanned and reverse engineered earlier. This is Stephen Estelle, the Applications Engineer of RapidScan 3D. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.